Morning students, we shall pass on to the journal entries of chapter 7, journal entries of chapter 7, and I shall select the problem number 1 from the exercise now. Progress Limited issued 50,000 ordinary shares of rupees 10 each, payable 2 on application, 4 on allotment, 2 on first call, and 2 on final call. All the shares are subscribed and the amount was duly received. Past journal entries. Here, the illustrations shows nothing is mentioned in the date column, but we should leave a gap for it. Here it is progress limited, therefore we can write in the books of progress limited. Progress limited. Journal entries. Journal entries. As usual, we should open columns date, particulars, ledger folio. This you have seen already in 11th standard itself. Anyhow, I remind you, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, rupees 5, and credit, rupees 5. Okay, this is the column. For the sake of our convenience, opposite to it, I open another column for the same type of journal entries. The same thing, since it is the continuation, I just draw the columns. I don't want to write the headings. The same. Okay. Now we shall go stage by stage. First one, application stage. The total value of the share, rupees 10, and this 10 is divided for application 2 and allotment 4, first call 2, and the final call 2. These are the 4, that is application 2, allotment 4, first call 2, final call 2. These are the 4 stages. The ordinary share is otherwise called equity share. Okay. Now, how the journal entries should be fast? For application stage, bank account data to equity share application account. Equity share application account. How many shares are issued? 50,000 shares. All the shares are subscribed. Therefore, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh we should write here. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Narration. Application money on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 received. And after receiving this money, this should be transferred to share capital. So what we should write here, share, equity share application, equity share application account. Data to equity share capital account. Equity share capital account. The same amount. The same amount. Here, what should be written as narration? Application money transferred to share capital. Application money transferred to share capital. The first stage is over. Application stage. Leave a line gap. What about the second stage? Second stage is allotments. Equity share allotment account data equity share allotment account data to equity share capital account. Capital account. The amount for allotment stage is 4. 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. What should be the narration? Allotment money due at the rate of rupees 4. Allotment money due at the rate of rupees 4. After this, bank account data to share allotment account. Then this can be written as to equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment account. The same 2 lakhs. Narration. Allotment money received. Allotment money received. Now we are going to the third stage. The third stage, that is first of all, equity share first call account debtor to equity share capital account. Equity share capital account. The first call money will be 2, therefore 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. What should be the narration? The narration will be first call money we due at the rate of rupees 2. Then what should be the journal entry here? Equity share first call account, that is a bank account debtor to bank account debtor to equity share first call account, equity share first call account. The same amount. Narration. First call money received. First call money received. Now we are going to the fourth stage. Fourth stage, final call. Equity share final call account debtor to equity share capital account. This is also 2 rupees, 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. The narration, final call money due at the rate of rupees 2. For this, the second journal entry, bank account debtor bank account debtor to equity share final call account. Bank account, the call, 2. Equity share, final call account. Narration, final call money received. Final call money received. This is the answer for the first problem given in the exercise. I did not explain you very much. I shall explain it now. Here, as usual in journal, filling up of the amount is not a very big problem. You can understand it because you are in 12th standard. You have studied very many journal entries in 11th standard itself. Therefore, the filling up of the debit and the credit column with amount is not a very big problem. Here, the first 2 journal entries, there are 4 stages. First stage, application stage. Second stage, allotment stage. Third stage, first call. Fourth stage, final, second and final call, we used to say. For each and every stage, there are 2 journal entries. On application stage, these are the 2 journal entries. For allotment stage, these are the 2 journal entries. For first call, these are the 2. For final call, these are the 2. Okay. In this, how to fill the amount column, it depends upon the value given there. What should be the application money? Rupees 2. 50,000 shares were issued. All the shares were subscribed for. See, you can find the sentence there. In the second line, all the shares are subscribed and the amount was duly received. The entire amount was duly received. Good. Okay. Therefore, for all the stage the money was received. Therefore, first stage application money 2 rupees at the rate of 50,000, 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. For the first stage 2 journal entries. For the second stage, allotment money 4 rupees. Therefore, 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. We have written. And the third stage, first call also rupees 2. It is given in the problem. Therefore, 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. We have written. And the fourth stage, second and the final call, the same 2 rupees. 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh we have written. Now, your problem is what to be written as journal entries in the particular column. And you may find here 8 journal entries. For counting, for number of journal entries, there are 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 journal entries. But don't think there are 8 journal entries. There is only one, I tell you. If you remember one journal entry, you can write the other journal entries. How? I shall tell you how. First one, what is the procedure in buying the share when the share amount is divided and received? மொத்தமா பணத்தை வாங்காம 4 stagesல if the company collects the amount, this is the method of passing entry. How they are collecting? Each share value rupees 10. That 10 rupees is not collected lump sum. மொத்தமா வாங்கல. They get the money, they collect the money from the applicants in 4 stages. First stage application, second stage allotment, third stage first call, fourth stage second and final call. If this is given in the problem, you can find it. Okay, but there is a small difference between the first stage and the other 3 stages you should understand. When you apply for the number of shares, you should fill up the application Along with the application, you should pay the application money, and either in the form of demand draft or check, whatever it is, whatever the form it is, or the account number may be given by the company, you can transfer the fund to the company. That is different. We don't want here now. But what is the procedure? When you apply for the shares, in the beginning itself, you should pay the application money. So 50,000 shares, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh rupees must have been paid when the shares are applied for. Apply பண்ணும்போதுமே பணத்தை கட்டி ஆகணும். So the bank is the receiver. Bank account debtor to share application account. What it is? This is the share application money. Therefore, bank account debtor to share application account. And this what I have written, you see, application money on 50,000 shares at the rate of ₹2 received. Okay. And this application money should be transferred to share capital. From what to what? Share application account to share capital, because this is share application money. So you write this equity share application account to equity share capital. That application money should be transferred to what account? Capital account. Therefore, equity share application account to equity share capital account. Application length capital transfer பண்ணணும். The same entry. Equity share application account to equity share capital account. Okay. Now I said, instead of getting the idea, there are 8 journal entries. You just remember one, you can write the other. I said, you remember this journal entry, bank account to share application, where you are ending with share application. You start with that, the second journal entry. See, your journal entry ends with equity share application. You start the second journal entry like this, the same equity share application. Then you understand that it is a transfer to equity share capital, therefore to equity share capital account. It's very simple. And now, if you compare the first stage 2 journal entries and the rest of the other 3, that is allotment, first, final, you can find a small difference. What it is? You can notice it. What? Here the first journal entry, second journal entry for application stage. Whereas allotment, first call, final call, these 2 will change the places. This will come here, this will come here. That is the main difference. Only if you compare and have some idea, if you conceive some idea in mind, you can write the journal entries without any hurdle. Don't have the habit of mugging up everything. So what I try to say, once you remember this, you can write this. I say, you close this, you stop with this, the first one, you start with this, the second one. எதுல முடிக்கிறியோ அதை வச்சு second start பண்ணு. Then you write share capital. You write for the second and the third stage, you write this here, you write this here, only with a necessary change. There it is application, here it is allotment. That's all. Here you write a bank account debtor to equity share, not application. This is allotment, you write it. Here what it is? Equity share application. This is application stage, it is application. This is allotment stage, what? Equity share, allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. That's all. So then the third and the fourth stage, only you should change the name of the stage. For allotment, allotment account. For first call account. For final call account. The same thing here. Here the bank to share allotment is because this is allotment stage. Then this is first call, therefore equity share first call account. This is final call, therefore equity share final call account. That's all. So if you remember this first journal entry, with this you can start the second one. If you change, if you switch over the side, if this comes here and this go there, you can write the second journal entry. Only thing you should remember the name of the stage. நீ எந்த ஸ்டேஜ் எழுதுறியோ அந்த ஸ்டேஜில் அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி மாற்றிக்கணும். அப்படியே you should not write this application as it is here because this is allotment. So you write equity share allotment account at equity share capital account. This will come here, this will go there, and for the rest of the other, the same. Change the allotment, write it first call, the same journal entry. Change the first call, write final call, the same journal entry. Like this here. Back to allotment. Here back to first call, back to final call. And the stage is all over, you should change the terms. That's all. Okay, now you may feel it. Not there are 8 journal entries, but there is only one journal entry. This, if you remember, you can write all the 8 journal entries. I hope you are freed now from learning all the 8 journal entries. Just to remember this first, from this you can start writing this second, then you write switch over. You transfer this here, you transfer this here for allotment. The same thing for, and that is why I say the first stage is different from the other 3 stages. Why? I tell you the reason now. ஏன் இப்படி இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் தனியாக இருக்கணும் இதெல்லாம் தனியாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இஃப் யூ கோ த்ரூ த நரேஷன் யூ வில் ஃபைண்ட் இட். ஃபார் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் ஒன்லி ஆஃப்டர் த பேமெண்ட் ஆஃப் மணி த அப்ளிகேஷன் வில் பி கன்சிடர்ட். பேர் இட் இன் மைண்ட். பணம் கட்டினா தான் அப்ளிகேஷனே கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவாங்க. After considering the application, you are allotted the shares. After the share allotment, what happens? They will send a letter for the payment of allotment money. This one, if you pay the allotment money, this journal entry. After sometimes, after giving a month notice shortly, you will be sent a letter. Or letter anupuvaanga. Yes, pay the first call money. The instruction will be in the letter. You pay the first call money. So for that, this journal entry. If you pay the first call money, this one. Then the same thing for final call. For to pay the final call amount, you will be sent a letter or letter anupuvaanga for this journal entry. If you pay the final call money, this journal entry, and therefore, in the first stage, you are paying the money first, then transfer. But from the second, third, fourth stage, you are sent a letter. முதல்ல letter அனுப்புவாங்க. அதுக்கு இந்த journal entry எல்லாம் அப்லோட் செய்யணும். அந்த letter பார்த்துட்டு after going through the letter, you will pay the money for that, and that is why this is journal entry, and that is why the first stage is different from the second, third, fourth. Okay, right? Thank you.